When a mission with a clear vision is backed by passion, devotion and determination, the actions performed reap incredible rewards. Such can be said for late Shri Gopal Das Trikambai Chapani and Shri Magan Lal Trikambai Chapani, who commenced their mission of illuminating their surroundings with the lamp of the 21st century, which is technology. Paying tribute to the legendary scientist Blaise Pascal, who gave the Pascal's law that formed the foundation of the hydraulic industry, they set out on an arduous journey in the field of hydraulics in the year 1980. The efforts bore fruits in the year 1996 when the cornerstone of PMP machine tools was laid. Further, PMP machine tools started manufacturing the hydraulic machineries under the brand name of Power. Today, the proud torch bearers and directors of the company are Mr. Amit Gopaldas Chapani and Mr. Sumit Maganlal Chapani, who are engineers duly blessed with the family's grand vision. Today, PMP Machine Tools is a name that has earned a place of highest repute for itself in the domain of hydraulic machineries. PMP Machine Tools is a reputed brand that deals in manufacturing, distribution, supply and exports of a wide range of hydraulic machineries. The exhaustive product portfolio can be chiefly categorized into three segments: hydraulic presses, hydraulic cylinders and hydraulic power packs. Hydraulic presses. PMP Machine Tools manufactures various types of hydraulic presses for different applications. H-frame presses. These are used for shaft straightening, bush fittings, bearing fittings and general purpose pressing applications. C-frame presses. These are used for pressing small jobs, embossing, punching, bush fittings, etc. Deep drawing presses. These are used for metal forming applications, deep drawing on sheet metals as per die designs. Steel vessels, steel tanks, steel basins, etc. also make use of deep drawing presses. Compression molding presses. Wax injection presses. These are used for wax injection application for investment casting industries. These inject paste form of wax into dies and make wax patterns. PMP Dual Wax Injection Press has been designed with innovative dual station technology at right angles and has vertical and horizontal injection nozzle at both the stations. The vertical nozzle with ejector system is a patented design with unique, compact and easy to operate arrangement. Wax injection press has won several national and international awards such as India Design Mark 2016 India and A Design Award 2016 Italy. 4-pillar presses. Closed frame presses. Hot biller shear machines. These machines are for steel billet manufacturers. These are used for cutting hot billet as per required length. These are available in two versions, horizontal as well as vertical. These machines save material, money, manpower and environment. These are eco-friendly and emit no gases. Hydraulic cylinders. PMP Machine Tools manufactures double-acting and single-acting hydraulic cylinders for industrial and machine tools applications. PMP Machine Tools also manufactures cylinders ranging from 40 mm to 800 mm bore size, pressure up to 700 bars and stroke up to 3000 mm. Different types of mountings manufactured here are flange, clevis, turnion, foot, tie rod and angle. Hydraulic power packs. PMP Machine Tools manufactures customized hydraulic power packs for many industrial and machine tools applications. PMP Machine Tools also manufactures power packs for different types of applications like CNC turning and VMC, CNC boring, milling, drilling, taping, double head milling, etc. Cotton baling press machines. Plastic thermoforming machines. Press brakes and shearing machines. Big butterfly valves operating machines. The manufacturing unit of PMP Machine Tools is located in the heart of Rajkot city, which is considered as the industrial hub of Saurashtra, Gujarat. It is spread across 1400 square yards and houses state-of-the-art machinery. The raw material sourcing is done from trusted brands like Bosch, Rexroth, which speaks volumes about no compromise on quality policy of the company. The management strives to keep the manufacturing process as technically updated as possible, which is aimed at minimizing the manufacturing defects and achieving highest efficiency. The processes, policies and strategies are designed on the 4 major parameters: design, durability, quality and after-sales service. The manufacturing involves the following processes: plate cutting, cleaning, welding, drilling and taping, machining, shaping, chrome plating, grinding, quality check, assembly fitting, material handling, testing, painting and labeling. And dispatch. The innovative machine designs, precision and accuracy at all stages, backed by quality control and meticulous packing, is achieved with the help of an able team of dedicated researchers, engineers, machine operators and quality controllers. The marketing professionals and service engineers travel across the globe and analyze the needs of the ever-changing market and demands of the loyal customers. PMP Machine Tools firmly believes that along with superlative product quality and performance, offers pan-India after-sales services. PMP Machine Tools has been participating in exhibitions like Rajkot Machine Tools Show 2008, EarthCon 2000, India Steel Expo 2017, etc. Thus, It can be said that this is just the beginning, and in the coming times, PMP machine tools shall contribute towards Make in India campaign in a greater capacity and shall bring more pride to India by carrying the Indian flag worldwide. For more information, log on to www.pmpmachines.com.